Charkha spinning is different from many other types of spinning and can engage you in a unique and very fulfilling way. When I first learned to spin on a Charkha, I understood the mechanics of it, but I still had so many questions. So I spent years finding resources to fine-tune my spinning practice. With this course, I want to share my approach to spinning on a Charkha and help smooth what can feel like a really steep learning curve. My name is Kate Larson. I'm a spinning instructor and author, and I have been spinning for about 20 years. In working with other Charkha spinners, I've often found a gap between understanding the mechanics of the Charkha and how to actually make it work for you. With these lessons, I'll help you get set up, troubleshoot and fine-tune your equipment, get started spinning, and walk you through plying and finishing. Making small adjustments can be the difference between the process not working and it being a wonderful spinning experience. My Charkha practice has added so much to my life, and I hope you'll watch this video and be inspired to try it yourself.